okay? Alright, we're gonna go, okay? Okay, put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Overly silly. Okay, put your seatbelt on for me. Okay. Alright, here.
Stop it!
Here, seatbelt on, please. Thank you. Don't be difficult. Put seatbelt on for Dad, please. Alright, then we're on the right track. You get the seatbelt on, we'll be good. I'm closing the door, watch your foot.
Ow.
I think we're on the right track now. Fasten your seatbelt, we'll get going. You gotta behave yourself. You wanna do something tomorrow? You wanna try to do something tomorrow, yes or no? You're gonna have to earn it right now. Just put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on. Okay, put your seatbelt on. And maybe you're gonna earn something. If not, it is what it is. You're gonna get stuff taken away. I'm gonna put away in. Okay, when I count to 10, if your seatbelt's on, first of all, your iPad's gonna go in my office locked up. Ready? 1. We'll have your seatbelt by 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right, good job. Okay, we're gonna go.